it's Alicia. Welcome back to my YouTube page. Today's video setup and style is a bit different because I just wanted to sit down and talk to you like how I would talk to a friend and just share some of my favorite styling tips and tricks that have helped me develop my personal style and streamline an outfit on those days when I'm not sure what to wear. So this video is just to help you, inspire you, and explain why some things work when you are putting together an outfit. Just a little disclaimer, I hate to be that person that tells you what to wear, so by no means am I sitting here and telling you wear this, wear that. No, absolutely not. Wear whatever you want, live your life. These tips and tricks or formulas, if you may, just help me you know, when I'm feeling stuck. So this video is just to kind of like help you do the same if you do feel stuck or aren't sure where to start when putting an outfit together. Okay, enough with that. If you're interested, then let's get on with the video. All right, starting off with my most used formula, and that is the 3-color rule. And this just means wearing no more than 3 colors at a time, with the exception of blacks or whites. In my case, I do wear a lot of neutrals, so I consider black as a color and I use that towards my ruling. However, if you do prefer more colorful pieces, then you can use black as a standard color. And this rule is not to discourage you to wear color. You should wear colors if that's your personal style, but it's just to help you inspire a very creative and cohesive outfit that doesn't look so overwhelming when someone's looking at you, or you don't overwhelm yourself when you're working with so many colors. Rule number 2 that I like to stick with is working with balanced pieces or wearing a balanced outfit. What does this mean? So this pretty much means that if you are wearing a looser silhouette at the bottom, then you're going to complement that with a tighter piece on top. And this is going to help you give your body some shape and form and not overwhelm your body with so much fabric or make you look boxy or square. It's going to give you some shape and form to work with. So you're really going to be highlighting the smaller areas of your body, like your waist, and vice versa. So if you have a baggy piece on top, then go with something that's a little bit more form-fitting or slim on the bottom. So you're giving yourself, again, some shape and form, and the fabrics aren't just eating you alive. So when I say stick to a balanced outfit, you don't necessarily have to, you know, wear tighter pieces with looser pieces. You could wear looser pieces with looser pieces. However, I suggest that when you're doing that, play around with different sizes. So what I mean by that is if you're wearing something that's baggy on the bottom and you do want to wear something that's a little bit more oversized on top, I suggest wearing a crop top instead of something that's long, or think about tucking it in so you're still highlighting the smallest area of your body, which is your waist, and giving your body some shape and form so the fabric isn't just eating you alive. All right, lastly, we've got the sandwich roll, and let me explain that to you, because when I first heard it, I thought it was crazy because now we're mixing food with fashion and I'm just so confused, but let me break this down for you. So when you look at a sandwich, you notice that it's got bread at the top, something different in the middle, and then another piece of bread at the bottom. So the same rule or the same concept applies when you're getting dressed. So your top is going to act like that bread, your bottoms are going to act like something different in the middle, and then your shoes are going to act like another piece of bread. So you really want to try to match your top with your feet or your shoes to create a very cohesive look. And if wearing something that's too matchy-matchy isn't really something that you like or prefer, then try to stick to the same color palette or the same family line, so you're still creating a cohesive look without committing fully to it or without, you know, matching too much. All right, guys, so I hope this video was helpful and I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. I absolutely love these formulas because they make getting dressed easier and they take off that extra stress that you have. And yeah, it's just more fun and it's just more laid back that way, and I hope you feel the same way. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, stay well.